Xiaomi just leaked its own flagship camera story. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra review surfaced early, and it changes the premium phone race. This is not a minor upgrade. The sensor is physically larger this year. 1-inch class, tuned aggressively. More light intake. More dynamic range. Xiaomi partnered deeper with Leica optics. New lens coatings reduce flare and ghosting. Edge sharpness looks noticeably improved. Color science leans cinematic, not saturated. A new AI image engine debuts here. It processes multi-frame stacks in real time. Noise reduction is smarter, not heavier. Detail survives even in night shots. Zoom is where things escalate. Periscope optics extend beyond 5 times. Hybrid zoom remains surprisingly usable. Stability improvements reduce handshake blur. Video performance gets a serious overhaul. 8K recording returns with cleaner compression. Log profiles support professional color grading. Rolling shutter appears significantly reduced. Portrait mode now maps depth more precisely. Hair edges look naturally separated. Skin tones avoid artificial smoothing. Background falloff feels DSLR-inspired. The front camera is not ignored. Higher resolution sensor up front. Improved HDR balancing in harsh light. Better stabilization for handheld vlogging. Battery drain during camera use improves. Thermal management looks more controlled. Long video sessions throttle less aggressively. Sustained performance matters to creators. Why does this actually matter? Because cameras define flagship dominance. Hardware alone no longer wins. Software intelligence decides everything. Xiaomi is signaling strategic intent. Compete directly with Apple and Samsung. Position Ultra as a creator tool, not just a spec sheet monster. For beginners, results look automatic. For professionals, manual controls go deeper. Raw flexibility increases editing latitude. Log footage expands post-production freedom. This is computational photography maturing. Hardware and AI finally aligned. The 17 Ultra is not experimental. It is deliberate. If these leaks hold true, Xiaomi just moved the benchmark. The Ultra line is now aggressive. And the flagship war just intensified.